Next question is 6, and here it is. Number 6. Let's copy that question. Done. Onto Sketchbook Pro. Import that image. Go to the desktop. 2306 is that one there. Open it. Move it up. There is the question. Right, so number 6. Let's move it a little bit to the left, to the right. Right. So number 6 says the following. Write 80 in the form c root 5, where c is a positive constant. A rectangle R has length of 1 plus root 5 centimeters and an area of root 80 centimeters. Calculate the width of R in centimeters and express your answers in the form P plus Q root 5, where P and Q are integers to be found. Okay, so to express 80 in terms of c root 5, all we do is write 80 divided by 2, we get 40, divide 40 by 2, we get 8, so we got 20, divide 20 by 2, we get 10, divide 10 by 2, we get 5. Okay, so that means 80 is equal to 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 5. So square root of 80 is equal to square root of 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 5. Basically, that 2 times 2 can come out of the bracket as 2. Then the other 2 times 2 comes out as 2 root 5. So root 80 is 4 root 5. So in that case, C is equal to 4. Okay. Now we've got this situation where they tell us that a rectangle, okay, so if you can imagine a rectangle is something like that. So it's got a length, a rectangle R has length, so 1 plus root 5 is the length, and an area of root 80. Calculate the width, which is this, in the form P plus Q root 5. Okay, so basically area is length times width. So root 80 is length, and the length in this case is this one, and the width is this one. The length is 1 plus root 5, and the width is P plus Q root 5. Okay, so root 80 from here, from question A, root 80 is 4 root 5 is equal to 1 plus root 5 P plus Q root 5. So basically what we can do is divide both sides. Okay, divide both sides by 1 plus root 5. So 4 root 5 divided by 1 plus root 5 is equal to P plus Q root 5. Now, in order to get rid of this denominator, which is 1 plus root 5, we can multiply 4 root 5 divided by 1 plus root 5. Let's put brackets there and multiply this by 1 minus root 5 and 1 minus root 5. Okay, this is going to help us eliminate the surds from the denominator. Okay, so this is still equal to P plus Q root 5. I might want to change color here just to get this multiplication here. So we're going to have 4 root 5 brackets 1 minus root 5 divided by 1 times 1 minus 1 times root 5, and then we do root 5 times 1 and root 5 times a minus root 5. So 1 times 1 is 1. 1 times a minus root 5 minus root 5. Root 5 times 1 plus root 5. Root 5 times a minus root 5 minus 5, because root 5 times root 5 equals 5. Okay, so we end up with 4 root 5, 1 minus root 5 divided by minus root 5 plus root 5 is 0. 1 minus 5 is minus 4. Okay, this gives us the minus 4, which cancels with that. So we end up with a minus root 5 brackets 1 minus root 5. This is equal to multiplying the minus root 5 into the bracket, becomes minus root 5 times minus a root 5 times a minus root 5, which makes that positive. So root 5 times root 5 is 5 minus root 5. So this is the answer, and this is equivalent. If we come back here, it means 5 minus root 5 equals P plus Q root 5, which means that P is equal to 5, Q is equal to minus 1. Okay, so that is the answer to this one. So it's been expressed like this. This is just to show what P and Q are equal to. Okay, so that's number 6 done. See you when we do number 7.